I am here at the Amtrak station in Modesto, California. And when I was a kid, this train, I'm not going to get out because there's people walking around that are kind of creepy. But this train right here, I played on when I was little. It was down in Beardbrook Park, Modesto, California, by Gallo, the big winery. My grandmother was friends with Ernest and Julio Gallo. We had dinner at their house a few times when we were little. They were good people. God rest their souls. Both of them now gone. My grandma too. Oh, the light went out. How creepy. I'm going to get out and walk here in just a minute and show you this train. Just to make sure there's nobody out here with me that's going to be all creepy. Let me get my keys. I think we'll just leave my purse in the car. It's probably safer for it right there. Okay, I'm Lily, everybody. Hi, nice to meet you all. I enjoy doing YouTube creepy and watching creepy. It's one of my favorite things to do. This is the old train that sat in the park that me and my brother climbed on when we were kids. Look at this thing. This thing is so tall. It's really dark. Let me see if I can turn my flashlight on. There we go. I don't know if that helps much, but here's the grill. I wonder if there's anybody out here with me that used to work on this train. We used to climb up the side of it. And they had a little walkway up to it. And you could climb this ladder right here. And when I was a kid, there was a bell sitting on the top. I think the bell's gone now. I think they took the bell off. Look how big this train is. They painted it all black. No climbing, keep off, train display. Oh, the wheels. Look how big these wheels are. These wheels are taller than me. I'm 4'9" in height. Those things are about 7 foot, maybe. 6'5", maybe. Just the gears alone to pull them. Look at that. This is here in Modesto at the Amtrak station. I'm waiting for my significant other and my stepson to come in from Yucaipa, California today. I think it's a AT and SF. SF is Southern Freight or Southern Pacific Freight. Here's the car for all the coal or whatever. We used to climb up in there when I was little. Not allowed to anymore, but I need a better flashlight. There was gears in there. Is there anybody in there? Hello? Used to play on this train when we were little. Any railmen left? Want to come visit? The Buckeye. See that? It says Buckeye right there. Let's see. I think this is 6.5 by 12. Timken. Must have been who made the gears. There's a box on the bottom, probably for tools. There's more Buckeye. Southern Pacific Railroad. Pretty sure. They need a plaque out here. Tells about it. Here's the end. You climb up and the gears where it connected. S5SGW. That's what it says up there. S5FGW. the ladder that went up on top. Connecting hoses, clamps. They moved a piece of the rail yard from over there at the park where they sat over to here. Oh, hi there, kitty. Well, look who we got. We got a visitor right here. Look at that. Hi, baby. Hi, Meow Meow. What's him doing, Meow Meow? Him hiding in the train. Little Meow Meow man. Come on, Kiki. Kitty. What are you doing, Kitty? Meow Meow. Baby kitty. Poor babies out here probably hungry. Probably hunts these fields. It's alright, buddy. I'll leave you alone. Come on, buddy. Hi, baby. Come here. Hi. Oh my goodness. What are you doing out here all by yourself? Who left you? Oh, who left that baby? Oh my goodness. Huh? Do you belong to somebody? Huh? Whose kitty are you? Huh, baby? Aw. Somebody dumped him, huh? Did somebody dump that poor boy? Oh. Poor baby. And Lily don't have any food with me, Papa. I wish I had some food. I might have some water in the car. Let's go to the car and see if we got some water. Come on. Come on, Papa. Come on. Just like me to find an animal that's a stray that somebody dumped while I'm out here looking around at the old train. Now it's so dark you can't see this side because the light's off. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, let Lily get you some water. Come on. I know we have water in the car. We always have water in the car. My Christopher takes it to work with him. Let me get down here to the car and get this baby cat some water at least. Because there ain't nothing out here. What's up? Don't fuck around, find out, it'll be all bad. I ain't even playing. Some guy pulled up here, started being all creepy. So, we'll just keep him on the camera right here. Is that the cat? Yeah. I was gonna give him some water if I could. I don't know if I can give him. I don't have anything to put it in. Kitty. I don't know if he belongs here or what. There's somebody dumped him.
Yeah, he's real friendly.
Yeah, a little too friendly. I think he's been dumped. Papa. I don't have anything to feed him. Kitty.